at the door. Ding dong. Okay, let's open it. Oh, what is that? I remember orders from Amazon. Hold on, guys. Okay, look what I got from Amazon. Hey, hooray! Look at this. Fidget toy surprise jumbo. What did I say? Oh my God. Halloween to Christmas to open. It's almost Christmas. So let's open it. Where my handy scissors belong. Okay. Here it is. Wait. As you guys see why it's not opening because of this. Okay. I'm so excited, guys. Kind of hard to chop. It's not even cuttable. Wait, what the? Let me cut this here. Where am I trying to do? Okay, there's a lot of paper in the trash bin. You'll remember I made the medium, but in the small one. This is small. Look at the difference. Yeah, that difference. Wait a second, okay? Okay, I should go to the toilet. So, it's already open. But okay, that's kind of hard. If you open this, it's a jumbo. This is a jumbo package, so that's why it's called jumbo. And there's a free iPhone DIY in there. Or does this from Amazon? No joke. It's from Amazon. No. I'm so excited, and I'm excited to see you guys. Holy carp! Okay. Here's you got a square poppet. It kind of pop because I think the thingy is just what I go. Not put two in one. There you go. What I got. Wait, I think I got the holy carp. Yeah. Holy carp. I can't believe I got the holy carp. Holy carp. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So we got this. This shrimp poppet is so limited edition, so that's why it says holy carp. Final. The Among Us poppet. Ooh. 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 A hard shell, actually, so a 9 out of 10. The second one, I think I'm gonna go with that free iPhone one. Let's see what iPhone it is. It's an iPhone 4S. It's so mini. Goodbye.